Another episode of Ghetto Gunsmithing. What we got here is my Ruger LCP. Dirty from the range because I was shooting it. And then what I notice, this right here. What the heck? The little pin that you're supposed to be able to grab and pull out to disassemble this sheared right off. And so I started doing some internet sleuthing, and it turns out it's not an unknown problem. Ruger has a little bit of, these LCPs have a little bit of a reputation for having that pin, which is this guy right here, shear off. You know, right kind of at that line where it's a little bit thinner. And at the same time, I also noticed some people having problems with this. These pins here have a tendency, as you're shooting, they have a tendency to walk out. So I picked some replacements up here, and a new pin. This is like $2. I think these were the same. Well, actually, it's right here. I picked up a holster. $2.50 for these guys and $2 for that pin. And I'm sure I could have had this warranty replaced, but it just wasn't worth the trouble, the time to even try to talk to somebody and tell them what the problem is when I can just order that for $2. And I got this cool holster too. The reason for this is I'm considering actually taking this maybe to a class, since I carry it a fair bit. Kind of cool. Or shoot IDPA with it. You kind of need a holster. So thought I might do something different and do that. So anyway, that's kind of why I bought that stuff. So anyway, I did my internet sleuthing because I couldn't figure out like how I'm going to break this down, and it turns out it's this is unloaded. I was able to shoot it. It still keeps working, but to kind of get on with things here. So there's two things that got to happen. You can see there's a retaining clip, and on this side it's hard to see, but there is a little gap, and I hope these will fit in there. But you kind of gotta. Maybe not. Maybe that won't fit. I'm wearing gloves because I'll be cleaning this next. That's step 2. I don't know if you can see anything here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So just push it right out. I kind of need a little bit of a longer. I don't know if that one's any longer or not. There's that tiny little hole. And you're just pushing this bad boy out. Now I think I can grab it. There we go. Let's just kind of look at this, and then I'll clean it, and then we'll come back for the reassembly. Okay. Okay. There we go. All fixed.